Hello everybody, so today I got here is a Back to the Future toy cars. I got 1, 2, and 3 time machines. Just so you know, these are from the different movies. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show this to you first. So this is what the case looked like and everything, so that's pretty cool. And then here's the back of the deal here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up now and show it to you guys what's on the inside. Alright, so for you to open this thing, you have to like go right here. Open it like right here to start, and just slowly take things out. Alright, so this is pretty cool. It looks like it's really sealed in there. So I'm going to have to take everything out of this thing. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so put everything on the side here, just in case. Alright, so these are the cars. I'm going to take each one out, one by one. Alright, so the first one here is the first time machine. This one here from the first movie, so that's pretty cool. A little Delorean, so that's a pretty cool little car. Alright, so that's the first one. And then here's the second one. Alright, so this is the second one. As you can see, the difference between the first one, it has the fuel pump in the back, as you can see, and that's pretty cool. Alright, so that's Back to the Future 2. This is a nice little small car. They are so small for this thing today. And then here's number 3, Back to the Future 3. Alright, so the reason why it's number 3 is because it has the extra stuff up front, so that's pretty cool. Nice little small car today. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So which Mandalorian do you guys like the most? Do you guys like the 1, 2, or 3? So just let me know what you guys think. And I do apologize if my comments are turned off. I will definitely turn it back on when I can. Yeah, this is a pretty cool Back to the Future today. And I do like the color, looks of the car and everything. And it's pretty nice. So I guess that's pretty much it today in this video. And I want to say thanks for watching.